Hello everybody! Welcome to Class in the Cloud Blends with Teacher Simi. The English alphabet has so many different blends. Let's learn about some consonant blends. Consonant blends are a set of 2 or 3 consonant letters that, when pronounced, retain their sound. Let's learn the BL sound. BL, 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 bl. Now you. Let's learn some BL words. BL is for blonde. Bleh, bleh, blonde. BL is for blanket. Bleh, bleh, blanket. BL is for blocks. Bleh, bleh, blocks. Let's read a story. Can you find all the bleh words? The blonde boy on the blanket was playing with his blocks. Now you. Let's recap what we've learned. Say the words. Bleh, bleh, blonde. Bleh, bleh, blanket. Bleh, bleh, blocks. The blonde boy on the blanket was playing with his blocks.
Well done, everyone. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. This is Class in the Cloud. I am Teacher Simi. Goodbye.